Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in this video we will be trying AMZCHEF, which is kind of compost machine, or you can say recycles all your fruits and veggies, the peels. So if you are a plant lover and you know how important the compost is, so if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that like button. Share this video to all your friends and family. I will link all the products in my description box below. Community tab, LTK shop, please check it out. So let's get started. So I got this AMZ Chef from Amazon. This is not gifted nor sponsored, so I wanted something like this, to recycle all my fruits and veggies peels, because I have plants, and if you are like me who have lots of indoor plants, who love, who is a plant lover, indoor, outdoor, so the compost is like a supplements, vitamins and proteins for plants. So if in case would recommend something like this, so we will see how this works. This is my first time trying this. If in case you're already pro at this, please don't judge me. So this is how it looks. That it comes in three colors, I think black and white, and I don't know, I think gray. You can check the link on Amazon, and it came very nicely double box pack. I also received this charcoal thing. You need to put it in the back of the machine. I will share in this video. I make a lot of juice at home, so I started collecting. This is just one day peel of the avocado, the eggshells, the berries juice, banana peels, onions, which I also prepare food at home. So I collected all that together. This cold pressed juice, Harom, I think Harom, the name of the brand, is also so good. I will link in my LTK shop. Check it out. In that manual it's already mentioned what are the things you can use. Do not put a plastic or any hard stuff. The avocado seed I didn't put, but I definitely put this the cover, the peel of it. I took onions, and this you can put cilantro, orange peel and all that. I placed this machine in my summer room, which is like near the backyard. So if in case it stinks, but the charcoal thing they have given is specially for that your room does not stink. So you can choose the mode. The S is for 4 hours, that if your products, you the peels and all you have for 500 grams, and L mode is almost like 1.5 kgs, so it recycles for 7 hours. So you just need to press and it starts. If you press it for 3 seconds, hold it for 3 seconds, it cancels. So I put this at 9:40. Right now it's PM, so I'm going to sleep, and you can hear there is no sound at all. It's so quiet and no sound. And I put the carbon behind. It seems it is for no smell. So the activated charcoal filter absorbs all the odor molecules during the decomposition, and it is specially designed for that. So this works perfectly. Best time is the night time, so it composts and it does not disturb your family's sleep as well. Morning guys, so I just came back from walk, my morning walk. It is 7:30 right now, and I'm going to check my recycling machine. So let's check what's happening in there. I'm going to unplug it first, and then okay, so this looks good. Oh, it's completely dry. I had put wet like banana peel and orange, avocado, onions. So it also has that heat feature which dries. Good. So now I can use this in my plants. Perfect. So for future, I'm going to collect. It's easy to remove. I'm going to collect all this in this extra bucket which I have. It is. So I'm going to collect this. Yes, and I'll always make sure to unplug it, the wire first, and then remove, deal with this. Just don't take a risk. So I'm going to link it in my LTK shop. I found this on Amazon. This is not sponsored nor gifted. I purchased this by myself. AMZCHEF is the brand. It's good. Check it out. So this machine is perfect if you have a lot of indoor outdoor plants, you have a garden, and the compost is very healthy for your plants. So instead of throwing away all the peels, the fruits, the veggies and the eggshells, it's like perfect use. It just recycle. That machine is sort of recycle thing, so you can just collect all that and put it in your plants, and your plants will really grow. So if in case you're interested to buy this machine, check my description box. If I find it, I'll link it in this YouTube shopping tab. You can check my LTK shop. I will also link it in my community tab. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video to all your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.
Tell me you want it. Tell me you